In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use conditional property logic in HubSpot, a crucial feature for customizing and personalizing user experience. Whether you're streamlining your marketing strategies or simply managing contacts more efficiently, conditional property logic can be a game changer for your operations. Let's dive right into the steps of setting this up in HubSpot. First, open your web browser and navigate to the HubSpot homepage. This is where you'll begin your journey into utilizing HubSpot's versatile features. Once you're on the HubSpot homepage, you're going to need to log in. Find the login button at the top right corner of the page and click on it. Enter your login credentials to access your account. If you're not already a HubSpot user, you'd need to sign up, but today we're assuming you already have an account. After successfully logging in, you'll be directed to HubSpot's home. This will be the central hub for your HubSpot activities, and it's where you'll start setting up your conditional properties. From the home page, look towards the top right portion of the interface where you'll see a settings icon. Yes, that's where we're headed next. Click on settings. This will direct you to the main settings page where all your HubSpot configurations reside. Now that you're on the settings page, find and select properties from the side menu. This section contains all of the different properties you can manage within HubSpot, from contact properties to company properties and beyond. Here is where you can dive deeper into customizing these properties according to your specific needs. The next step involves scrolling until you find conditional logic. Clicking on this will enable you to begin crafting logic-based property visibility rules. It's a powerful tool that ensures only relevant properties are displayed to users, making data entry more efficient and less error-prone. Just imagine how useful this can be when dealing with large data sets. After selecting the conditional logic option, you'll see a button labeled Create Logic. Clicking this will bring up the interface to start building your logic. Here, you'll specify the conditions under which certain properties will appear to users. Think about the typical scenarios your team encounters and use those as a guide for constructing meaningful logic paths. When you're satisfied with the logic you've set up, the final step is to save your work. Look for the Save Logic button and click it to preserve all the changes you've made. Saving your logic ensures that next time you or any of your team members access properties within HubSpot, the conditions you've set will automatically apply, and that's it. You've successfully set up conditional property logic in HubSpot. By following these steps, you should now have a much more optimized and streamlined process for handling your data. Thank you for watching, and happy HubSpotting.